Lindsay, thank you. 5:18 this morning. As part of our Rebound KC initiative, we want to help you get through some of the strangest times many of us have ever seen. One of the big hurdles for parents right now is where to find childcare, one, and two, how to know if it's safe when you send your kids.
Absolutely. 41 Action News reporter Charlie Keegan talked to a couple of parents looking for that answer.
This is a story of two approaches to the same question. What do working parents do with children on summer break in the middle of a pandemic?
You want to stand?
First, Ben Walnick. He's not nervous about putting his daughter in daycare during the pandemic. His problem is he can't find a daycare with openings. 4-month-old Mara is on several waiting lists.
Just tell me how many people are in front of me. Tell me how realistic it is that I'm going to be able to get in July.
Next, there's Dr. Tony Zink. She found a camp with openings to watch her kids while she works at Samuel Rogers Health Center. But she's nervous her 7- and 10-year-old would be exposed to the virus at a camp, so she drove them 12 hours to her mom's house in Houston for the summer.
I decided it would be easier to have them with family because we could control the environment more.
Right now, every county and city in our area allows daycares to open and summer camps to take place in some capacity. A group called Child Care Aware offers a free search engine where parents can find daycare centers with vacancies today. Experts say more facilities will reopen, or at least accept more children, as Missouri and Kansas both hand out millions of dollars from the federal CARES Act to daycare facilities.
Kids are so resilient, they just adapt to whatever changes are going on. I think they're way more resilient than adults.
Zink hopes her decision pays off. Walnick is watching the clock because his temporary in-home nanny is leaving town soon, leaving him at square one.
We're just kind of hands tied behind our back and are just kind of waiting.
Reporting in Kansas City, Missouri, Charlie Keegan, 41 Action News.
Get that sweet, sweet face. When Charlie interviewed Dr. Zink, he asked her for some advice from the medical side of things. Here are a few questions she suggests that you ask before you send your child to a summer camp or to a daycare. What protocols are in place for hand washing or hand sanitizing? What are their social distancing rules? And when do kids have to wear masks? What will you do if a child shows symptoms of COVID-19? And if you hire an in-home nanny, have no fear asking them whether they visit crowded places and wear a mask when not at your house, because then they'll be at your house, right? Yep.